Hello guys and welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to see how we can talk and code. Yes, speech to code, right? Today we are going to see how we can do speech to code, right? All you need to do is just download application. Right now this application is for Mac. I'm so sorry. This is for Mac user, right? So the application name is Flow AI, right? With the Flow AI, not this, no, Flow Voice, sorry, Flow Voice AI, right? You will get this Whisper Flow, right? This Whisper Flow you will get, right? Download it for Mac OS. Just click on this download for Mac OS, right? And continue with Google. This continue. Just download it once. Yeah, it's getting downloaded, right? Let's give it a try. It's very good. It's great. Let me just show it to you. Like suppose you are busy, right? You are eating, you're doing your lunch, and while doing your lunch, you are having you want to code, right? You can do it. You can do that, right? Let me show it. It has installed. Yeah, here it is, Whisper Flow, right? Let me open it. Open it. Right. Open. So yeah, here it is, right? Here it is. So let me since I have already logged in, right? So it is showing me this thing. So now what will happen if you start installing it, it will ask for a few things, right? Some permissions, mic permissions, and then it will say that okay, just speak, and you will see a pink or purple colored line. If you are able to see or not, just press yes, 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 and it will done. Now do you see this? Do you see this start click and start dictating? So we have two options to configure it, right? What you can do, either you can press function button, right? And let me just show it to you. So like suppose, see, this is where I want to write, right? So if I press function button, and now whatever I'll say, right, it is continuously recording me, and trust me, the recording is very fabulous. It is like very crystal clear recording that it is doing, right? And as soon as I leave the function button, right, of my Mac, it will stop recording, and whatever you have recorded, it will get typed over here. Let me show it to you. See, and see, it is very much clear. It is very much clear, right? Right. So now suppose I want to solve some bugs, right? I want to solve some bugs, right? So what I'll say that hey, analyze my code, and I feel that there is some CSS misbehaving with my code, and the UI is not up to the mark. Please let me know all the issues that you see in the UI and fix that. So see, this is what I have speak. Let's press enter and it's done. See, I'm speaking and I'm coding. Isn't it great, my dear friends? And this is what the future of AI, right? The future of coding will be. Okay, so let me run this. Let me run this. So see, now it is fixing. Now it is fixing as well. Also, this is not for cursor. This is not just for cursor, right? You can do anything. Like suppose over here, just place your cursor. Hey, I want to see some sample images. Show me. See, and hit enter. You can literally operate your complete PC from this. Like suppose you want to open your terminal, right? And I'll say pwd, enter. See, and I'll say what maybe cd desktop. Enter. Oh, cd desktop. Okay, it's cd, it's taking capital, right? So no worries. Maybe let's do one thing. mkdir test ls. It has created test. See, it has created a test. See, it has created a test folder, right? Then I say rm test. Enter. Okay, okay. rm minus rf test and ls array ls, and see, it has deleted my test. You can operate your complete PC via this. Isn't it cool? Isn't it great? Isn't it? So it is continuously fixing the bugs for me. In the meantime, I guess, yes, that's it for this video, and we'll meet you again in the other video with a new topic. Till then, thank you, bye bye, and take care.